So this is tree ball. The object of this game is that you throw a ball up in a tree and then try to have someone catch it without hitting the ground. Like Hans just did right there. So that was one. Okay, excellent. We got some people here being hardcore in the back. Whoa! Oh, we almost had a double catch. Amber's back there doing not very much. That's typically how she plays tree ball. I'm just kidding. She'll be mad at me for that comment later. I'm hoping to see like James do an extreme slide or dive or something. What was that stuff?
Part of the stick just flew into my mouth.
That's the one thing about this game that can make it kind of extreme. Is like sometimes branches break off and hit you in the face. There you go. Oh, dude. I think did he catch it or not? I missed it.
No, he didn't.
Okay. All right. Let's see. We're gonna get this couple more throws. See if we get some epic going on here. This? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Where'd it go? Oh, that was almost a collision. Did you see that? Did you see the branch fall too? That was extreme. Oh. I hope that just picked up on the camera. If you just heard Sharice just had a really weird outburst. It's really cute. Okay, good. Watch it run.
Amber, that was all you. You're blacking off.
Okay, here we go. One last throw. You know what it landed like 15 feet in front of Anthony? Oh! I will give her credit though, it's really windy. Pinball! Oh, that was extreme. Okay, alright. That's tree ball.